When deploying a snapshot with Configuration Manager for Jira Cloud, it's common to run into conflicts or situations where you need to adjust how configuration elements are applied on the destination site. Instead of stopping your deployment or going back to make changes in the source, CMJ Cloud lets you handle this directly during the deployment process using inline transformations and remapping. After you deploy your snapshot and run the initial analysis, you'll land on the Analyze screen. This is where CMJ Cloud shows you all planned configuration changes, along with any conflicts or issues that need your attention. From here, you can select any configuration object and open the Detailed Analysis info screen. This is where you can start making inline transformations. Inside the Edit tab, you can directly modify attributes of your configuration objects. For example, you might change a project key so that it gets created as a new project instead of merging with an existing one. The changes made here only affect how the configuration is deployed and do not modify anything in your source environment. As you make these updates, they're marked as draft changes. This means they're not applied yet, and you can continue adjusting multiple objects before confirming anything. Once you're ready, you simply apply the changes. At that point, CMJ Cloud runs a new analysis to validate your updates and detect any remaining conflicts. Alongside modifying attributes, you can also use remapping to control how objects are associated between the source and destination environments. Remapping is available in the same Edit tab, where you'll find a panel that allows you to change the destination object linked to your source configuration. Instead of modifying the object itself, you're updating its relationship. You can select a different destination object from a list or manually enter the name or ID. This is especially useful when resolving conflicts or making sure that configurations align correctly across environments. Just like inline transformations, remapping changes are also saved as draft changes until you apply them. Once applied, the analysis runs again, so you can review the updated mappings and confirm everything looks correct before continuing. Inline transformations and remapping give you the flexibility to resolve conflicts, adjust configurations, and control how your deployment behaves, all without leaving the deployment flow. With these tools, you can ensure that your snapshot is deployed exactly the way you need it, with full visibility and control at every step.